Have you ever copied an ES6 code snippet from the internet only to see it fail on your browser? Don't worry, today I'll show you exactly how to set up your environment and make sure your JavaScript runs smoothly, whether you are using a browser, Node.js, or even an old school project. So let's get started.
Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that I'm your man. You be capping like a snitch, no thoughts, more stamps, new hoes, 10 toes, new guac, new bands, new whip, new chips, new kicks.
First things first, how do we know if a browser even supports ES6 Plus? For that, just go to this website and search here like ES6 Plus features. We have a good news. Most modern browsers just like Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, Opera all support ES6 Plus by default. But if you are working with older browsers just like Internet Explorer, we have a little problem. But don't worry, I'll show you how to make it work even in those cases. Alright, let's set up a solid development environment for writing and running ES6 Plus code properly. All you need to set up your environment is a modern browser just like Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge, a code editor just like VS Code or Sublime Editor, and Node.js, optional but recommended. Open VS Code or any other editor you want to code in. Create a new file, script.js, and type this simple ES6 Plus code here. Looks great, right? Now let's test it. If you see this in your console, congratulations, you are running ES6 Plus JavaScript. But what if you are coding outside the browser, or maybe you are working with a backend project using Node.js? Let's set it up. Open the terminal and run this command. If you see your version number above 12, great, your Node.js already supports ES6 Plus. But what if you are working on a project that needs to support older browsers? No worries, we use Babel. What is Babel? Babel is a JavaScript compiler that converts ES6 Plus code into older JavaScript like ES5 for compatibility. Let's install and set up Babel in just 3 easy steps. Open the terminal. Let me clear this. Now run this command in your terminal. The Babel is now installing. After the installation, create a Babel config file with .babelsrc extension. Just like this, I have already created, and after creating the file, just paste this JSON code here. Once you write the code, just transpile ES6 Plus code by running this command. Once you run this command, your ES6 Plus code works everywhere. Now that you know how to set up ES6 Plus in any project, it's time to start using its awesome features. If this video helped you, just smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more ES6 Plus tutorials. And tell me in the comments, have you faced any issues running ES6 Plus in your projects? Let's discuss. Alright, that's it for today. Keep coding, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.